Hi everyone, I have made some modifications to the lifter setup here. So now I have lots of room for it to lift it up. So I'm hoping now when I pull this up with the lock and tackle down here, as you can see, I'll be able to get this door all the way up, which gives me enough room in there to empty out pretty much all of the carpet and things that absolutely stink still. All right, let's see if this works. All right, let's see how this goes. All right, take two. Got rid of a lot of the slack. Let's see what happens. All right, as you can see, I think we have a winner. Slip that back a bit. Beautiful. Okay. So I spent a couple of hours now just stripping out as much as the carpet, pulling out the chairs. As you can see, the chairs are now here. I found a little bit of rust damage down on the bottom of the chassis here on the floor pan. That should be fixable. So it's not the worst. I am still wondering if it was like that when I purchased it years ago. I'm not too sure. It could have been the rats have just filled it with too much stuff. Never know. The dash, all the carpet is now out of the middle and around the dash, which was the worst of the mouse crap. I've still got the edges and the back of the cabin to go, which I've got to pull out the speakers, so that'll be next time. As you can see, here's all the carpet I have pulled out. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it was glued in very heavily. Just to add something amusing, I did find an old receipt from McDonald's Oakley. I can't make out the date on it, but it was quite a while. Found a 1988 $2 coin, a screwdriver sitting under one of the seats, and some old coins, and a bit of a Mentos wrapper. So, bonus, I'm on top. All right, so now I will probably lower this roof again. So let's see how smooth that is using the block and tackle. That didn't go too bad. So, yep, happy with that to get in and out for now, until I remove the door completely, and then I don't need to access it this way. Awesome. Thanks for watching.